Hey guys, here with a great gardening tool set. Let's go ahead and get it opened up. This is an ideal garden tool set for men and women alike, young and old. These tools are lightweight, heavy duty, and have great ergonomic handles. This would be a great gift option for anybody in your family. It has a trowel inside that's used for digging. It comes with a hand weeder to remove weeds from the root. It even comes with a rake to help loosen up the soil. It also includes a sharp pruner to help prune your bushes and flowers. And it comes with a pair of really unique gloves with claws which can be used to help while you're digging around in your nice soil. There's even a transplanter with inch marks on the tool itself to help measure the hole for planting bulbs. And this bag is so big, it can fit all of the tools and other gardening accessories. And as you saw in the video, this thing has everything that you will need to get your garden started.